Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's the Vampire Skarlett, back with more Chainsaw Man episode 2. In the last episode, Denji used to work for the Yakuza as a devil hunter. They betrayed him because they got greedy and wanted powers of their own. Got tricked by a zombie devil that led to Denji's death, after which Pochta, the Chainsaw Devil, gave him his heart, and now he's a hybrid. Killed the zombie devil as well all the zombies, and the public safety came and they basically forced him to join. This is where we're at, and before I get back into it, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so be notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let's get straight into it. That's an eye? Is that just gonna be there permanently? The little string? You scare me. What? Yes, she is terrifying. I've seen you for 3 seconds and I want to stay as far away from you as possible. What part of her look nice? Look at her face. Oh, the thing is dead. No, it's a first for him. Oh, that's why you reacted like this. No, don't. This girl is clearly... She treats you like a dog. Why would you fall for her? She terrifies me. I do have a question about those devil. There seem to be a lot of them, ranging from harmless to really dangerous. I mean, there was a tomato devil. This one was a zombie devil. He had a chainsaw one. Seems anything can be a devil. What's wrong with him? Oh. Is it dead? Or one with you? Look at her! Well, you don't have much of a choice. There's a string in his heart. Good sense of smell. What are you, Tanjiro? Still alive. It's not dead. That's why I said you're a hybrid. He's really low on blood. Does that mean he has to drink blood as well? Oh, he's gonna have a... Go ahead, eat. What? You... Oh, come on. Really? Thank you, I was about to ask. Makima. Heard that name before. That's the first thing you ask her. You're seriously in love with this girl? Well, that would be you. Oh, he's still thinking about that. This kid. Headquarters. Show me the others. 1,000 devil hunters in Tokyo. How many devils are there for you to be that numerous? Focus! This kid. Do you... Okay. This... Okay. You have bigger fish to fry. Does he even know how to tie it? Oh. No. Idiot. Hey! Do you realize where you are? Of course, the other one is gonna get jealous. Even when she's sweet, she's she unsettles me a bit. Could you please focus? Hey, stop! What was that for? Because he asked if she has a boyfriend? I understand that. I mean, he already died fighting devils. He was doing that before he joined you, so... I mean, maybe that's why he's so easygoing. Hey! He's gonna hit you back. Knock out. Hey! That was a bit much. And then you reminded him of the past. Relax. Don't. You don't have time to fight. You've got a job. He keeps kicking him in his jaws. This is... Okay. Yes. Only. I mean, it's a good strategy. Look at you. You can barely even fight. And now what? You had a job to do. No. There's a strange air around her. She doesn't feel human. What do you mean by special treatment? See? This woman is strange. It feels like she has no soul. Yes! I mean, not necessarily a bad person, but I don't think she can care about... The way she feels is different. She just literally told him, I'm gonna work you to death, basically. He's still... Just eating all the jams. You're making a mess! Clean it up! Ah! He's just enjoying his life. I mean, he never had any of that before. Understandable. He's falling asleep on the toilet. He used it all. He has no sense of restraint. Is the public aware of the demons? It's not kept secret. It would appear so. Why do you have a weapon? You don't need one, Denji. No, he did not. Oh. No. Oh, what is that? Did not even turn. Is that gonna be enough?
おい、なんで悪魔の力使わなかった？俺の力使ってで悪魔を殺すとよ。それでなんか楽に殺してやりたくて。魔人も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情するな。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔。
Oh, of course you're gonna be hateful.
下にいる警察とも飲み行ったことあるけどな。奥さんとか子供を守るために命がけで仕事をしてる。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。俺は悪魔をできるだけ苦しむように殺してやりたいぜ。お前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？
But he did make friend with one.
友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ。俺友達いねえもん。その言葉覚えとくぜ。
You're not gonna get along, are you?
プッツンさせちゃったよ。本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかった。
No, you insufferable.
飛び散って汚れちまうからな。よし。エッチ確認。
デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
俺もマジでやってるぜ。落ちた。風呂も毎日入れて、いいもん食えて、面のいい女も近くにいて。
Literally everything you wanted.
の生活なのに。なんか足りない。
And what might that be?
マキマさんもなんかあんのか？マキマ。
Oh, can you please?
揉んでみて。とっくの昔に俺には無理だと諦めてたけど、今のまともな仕事してる俺。
What kind of a...
胸なら強い意志と行動力が。
He has no serious goals.
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。そういうことだったのか。見つけたぜ。俺の
Really?
俺のゴール。それは胸だ。
胸だ。
おい、話聞けバカ。
デンジ君には今日からバディを組んでもらう。
Oh.
バディ？
公安では小規模任務とかパトロールは安全のため二人一組。
Oh, it's the girl with the horns from the intro song.
ちょうどよかった。来たみたい。気をつけてね。
Wait, what?
彼女は魔人だから。
He's okay with that?
ひげ伏せ人間。わしの名は
Power! That was...
魔人がデビルハンターなんて。
that's my question.
まあいいか。
Of course, she's a girl.
魔人は悪魔と同じ駆除対象なんだけど、パワーちゃんは理性が高いから早川くんの体に入れてみたんだ。
That means,
前にも言った
uh,
公安大麻得意音化は実験的な
Makima
結果が出せなかった。
is a fiend, 100%.
解体しちゃうかもしれない。パワーちゃんは頭の角が目立つから人通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること。
I was about to ask, those do not retract her horns, but no, they do not. What is she doing?
人間、早くなんか殺させろ。足は血に飢えてるぞ。
Oh,
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる。
you are... Okay.
全然悪魔いねえじゃん。
わしのせいじゃん。わしは魔人になる前は超恐れられてた悪魔じゃったからの。
Oh,
わしの匂いで雑魚悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ。
right?
じゃあ俺た
That's inconvenient.
血の匂いじゃ。
Her fangs are vampiric-like. She's completely ravenous. She smelled blood and immediately went after it. A hammer made of blood. Hey! She's a maniac. I love her. She's completely... Okay, that was episode 2. Power, we got introduced to Power. She was in this song, the intro song, and it was written Power. I was wondering what that was about. That's literally a name. She's a fiend, and she has been assigned as Denji's partner, and she's completely unpredictable. She has no self-control whatsoever. She smelled blood and immediately engaged the target. She was laughing after, haha, the kill is mine, I killed it. I love this girl. Even her appearance, she's less frightening than Makima is. Which, by the way, Makima is a fiend, 100%. Now that I know that they are hiring fiends, I thought they only took Denji because he was still human. But seems they can sometimes hire fiends. That means this Makima girl is not human. The air surrounding her is not natural. The way she looks at people. This girl is not human. She's a fiend. Definitely. And Ayakawa, his family was murdered by devils, and he's basically hates them, and he likes to torture them and make them suffer, and he does not like Denji. And Denji's was told he has no serious goal, and the serious goal he found for himself is to touch boobs. This kid is not in there for... It makes sense, by the way. He was working for the Yakuza to pay his debt. That's all he did his entire life. He never had any grand goal, so it makes sense that this is his third process. He's gonna have to upgrade that because Makima told him, I'm gonna work you to death. Literally, I'm gonna work you until you die. And still he has a crush on her. Unbelievable. Anyway, this one was really fun. I love Power. I hope to see more of her. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.